If we are given a ratio problem whereby we are given one value and asked to find the other value or values, we can look at the problem in this way. Say for example, we are posed with a problem such as two prizes are given in the ratio 3:5. The smallest prize is £90. What is the largest prize? Now we are given some useful information here. The smallest part of the ratio, 3, is equal to £90. This will help us solve the rest of the problem. We need to find out what one part of the ratio is equal to first. We know that 3 parts of the ratio are equal to £90, so we can take this £90 and divide it by 3 to find out what one part of the ratio is equal to. If we divide £90 by 3, we get £30. Now we know what one part of the ratio is equal to, and that is £30. We can then multiply this by 5 to find out what the largest prize is worth. £30 times 5 is £150. By giving us a starting value of £90, we are given a clue as to how to solve the rest of the problem. If we look at another example problem, the ratio of boys to girls in a school is 3:4. There are 330 boys. How many girls are there? Again, we are given that 3 parts are equal to 330 boys. If we find out what one part is equal to, then we can solve the problem. We can do so by dividing 330 by 3 to get 110. This is what one part of the ratio is worth. Now we take this 110 and multiply it by 4 to find there are 440 girls in the school. Again, we were given one value as a clue to help us solve this ratio problem. I hope that's helped and you know more about solving ratio problems when given one value. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.